Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you how to enable and use icon pull down gesture on this device. So first of all, let's enable it. You have to long press on an empty area on your home screen, and now in the bottom right let's tap home screen settings, and under the section gestures you want to find icon pull down gesture, and let's enable it. So now on your home screen you have to gently swipe up from the bottom left or bottom right corner of your screen like this, and as you can see your application icons pull down to your finger, and please do not lift your finger up. You have to position your finger over the application that you want to open like this, and afterward you can release your finger. So that's how it works. Let me show you once again how it works without releasing your finger. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.